You know that catch-all space in your bedroom where jewelry, pocket change, and maybe even dirty laundry tend to pile up? Well, today we're giving away our top 3 tips for accessorizing bedroom dressers. So let's clear off any clutter and get to work. Hi there! For those of you who are new here, I'm Jackie Newell, founder and lead designer of Basil Tate, a full-service residential interior design team based in sunny Denver, Colorado. All right, let's get into it. Here are 3 of our top design tips for accessorizing a bedroom dresser. Number 1, keep it simple. Don't overthink it. Your bedroom dresser is a space we want to keep clean with minimal styling and accessories to help cultivate the peaceful environment a primary bedroom suite should be. In order to keep styling simple here, we like to create about 3 groupings of around 5 decor items total. These exact numbers will flex a bit depending on the size of your dresser top, but a general ballpark formula that works for most. This bedroom dresser from the Wasoric Project's primary bedroom suite is the perfect example of minimal and modern styling using only a few well-positioned pieces. Number 2, create depth and add height with details. Now it's time to get creative with arrangements to find what feels right. Sometimes the best way to achieve balance in a design is simply by moving your decor items around and placing different pieces together to see what you like best. One of our favorite ways to add height is with a large vase and faux greenery or candles at varying heights. We then fill in and create depth with stacked books, decorative trays, and sculptural objects. And don't forget about the wall space behind your dresser. Adding a mirror can create even more depth for smaller rooms, while artwork is a wonderful way to add visual interest to the entire setting. We love how the Samsung Frame TV provided the perfect artwork-ready backdrop for this primary bedroom in the Palin project. Number 3, add ambient lighting. And finally, our favorite element of accessorizing a bedroom dresser, adding ambient lighting. Ambient lighting can bring light and warmth into any room, but it's the perfect touch, especially for a cozy and calming master bedroom suite. A table lamp at the right size can also balance out the other decor elements on your dresser top instead of a vase or candlesticks. We're obsessed with this example from Pottery Barn's Fall Lookbook, which uses the wall sconces flanking the dresser to provide just a bit of that warm ambient glow. If you need a partner with a design eye for your home remodel or new build project, we would love to help you create a home with spaces you'll love for years to come. Get in touch with us at basilandtate.com to book your free 15-minute discovery call and see if we could be the right fit for your home project.